Good morning, students. This is lecture 3. Now in this lecture we are going to discuss exercise solution of exercise 8a. Now let us start question number 1. So it is addition. It is addition 20 book. So I am not going to write question. So please keep your book along with you and then solve the question. Question number 1. And question number 1, 3 bits are given. So let us solve bit 3. Find in each case the remainder when. Now bit 3 is x to the power 4 plus 1 is divisible by x plus 1. So here the given polynomial is x to the power 4 plus 1 and divisor equal to x plus 1. Now we have to find remainder. So put divisor equal to 0. Put divisor equal to 0. So it will give x equal to -1. Now by remainder theorem, remainder equal to value of polynomial and x is equal to -1. So it will be put here -1 -1 to the power 4 plus 1, that is 1 plus 1 2. Now question number 2. Question number 2, bit 2. Show that 3x plus 2 is a factor of 3x square minus x minus 2 and 3x plus 2. Now question is, we have to prove that 3x plus 2 is factor of 3x square minus x minus 2. So this is the given polynomial, and this is divisor. Now we have to prove that this 3x plus 2 is factor of this. So what is the condition for factor? Remainder must be 0. Here this divisor will be factor if remainder of this polynomial when divided by this 3x plus 2 will be 0. So for the factor condition is remainder must be 0. This is the condition for factor. So put 3x plus 2 equal to 0. So from here you get x is equal to -2 by 3. Now therefore remainder equal to f of, in polynomial in place of x substitute this value -2 by 3. So it is 3 into -2 by 3 whole square minus -2 by 3 minus 2. So 3 times it is 4 by 9 plus 2 by 3 minus 2. So 4 by 3 plus 2 by 3 and minus 2. So answer will be 0. So remainder is 0, and since remainder is 0, therefore we can say that this one is factor. Therefore 3x plus 2 is a factor of given polynomial fx. Now question number 3. Question number 3. The question number 3, bit 2. Question number 3, bit 2. Now given polynomial is 2x cube plus 3x square minus Now divisor is equal to 2x minus 1. Now question is prove that, or we have to check. We have to check whether this 2x minus 1 is factor of this given polynomial or not. So for the factor, what is the condition? This remainder must be equal to 0. This is the condition for factor. So let us find remainder. So putting 2x minus 1 equal to 0. So here x is equal to 1 by 2. Now therefore remainder is equal to polynomial at x is equal to 1 by 2. Now put the value of 1 by 2 in this polynomial. 2 into 1 by 2 whole cube plus 3 into 1 by 2 whole square minus 5 into 1 by 2 and minus 6. Now solve it. 2 into 1 by 8 plus 3 by 4 minus 5 by 2 minus 6. It will be 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4 minus 5 by 2 minus 6. So LCM is 4. 1 plus 3 minus 10 minus 24. So it will be minus 34 minus 30 by 4. So minus 15 by 2. Now since remainder is not 0, therefore 2x minus 1 is not the factor of given polynomial x. Now question number 4. Question number 4. Question number 4. Question number 4. Big one. Given 2x plus 1 is a factor of 2x square plus ax minus 3. So what is the value of a? To find a, we have to find the value of a. So here given polynomial is 2x square plus ax minus 3. Now put 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Put 2x plus 1 equal to 0. So here x is equal to minus half. Clear? Now since it is given that 2x plus 1 is factor. Clear? Since it is a factor, therefore remainder must be 0. Now what is the value of remainder? It is f of minus half. It must be 0. So in the polynomial place of x substitute minus half. So this is the polynomial. 2 into, in place of x substitute this value, minus half whole square plus a into minus half minus 3 equal to 0. So it will be 2 into 1 by 4 minus a by 2 minus 3 equal to 0. So it will be 1 by 2 minus 3 is equal to a by 2. So minus 5 by 2 is equal to a by 2. So a is equal to minus 5. This is the answer. Now question number 5. x plus 3 both are factors of x cube plus x square plus bx minus 12. So to find, what we have to find? Value of a and b. What are the values of a and b? Now, so here given polynomial is, so let f(x) is equal to x cube plus ax square plus bx minus 12. Now since x minus 2 is a factor here, so put x minus 2 equal to 0. So it will give x is equal to 2. So by since it is a factor, therefore value of function at this point must be equal to 0. This is a condition for factor. Now, so f2 is, put here 2 cube plus a into 2 square plus b into 2 minus 12 equal to 0. So from here you get 8 plus 4a plus 2b minus 12 equal to 0. So 4a plus 2b and 8 minus 12 4. Shift for that side 4. But taking 2 common, so it will be 2a plus b is equal to 4. So what are we getting? We are getting 2a plus b equal to 2. This is equation number 1. Now similarly, put. Now it is given that x plus 3 is also factor. So put x plus 3 is equal to 0. X plus 3 is also factor. So from here you get x is equal to minus 3. Now since it is a factor, therefore value of polynomial at this point minus 3 must be 0. So put here minus 3 whole cube plus a into minus 3 whole square plus b into minus 3 minus 12 equal to 0. So from here you get minus 27 plus 9a minus 3b minus 12 equal to 0. So 9a minus 3b is equal to this plus this will be minus 39. Shift that at 39. I'm taking 3 common. 3a minus b is equal to 39. So 3a minus b is equal to 30. It is equation number 2. Now this is going to fall into a linear equation. So we can solve the linear equation. 2a plus b is equal to 2. Now 3a minus b is equal to 13. Add this, so b will cancel. 5a is equal to 15. So a is equal to 3. Now put a equal to 3 in equation number 1. So 2 into 3 plus b is equal to 2. So b is equal to 2 minus 6, that is minus 4. So for our a is 3 and b is minus 4. This is the answer. Now question number 7. Question number 7. Find the value of a if x minus 2 is a factor of this. So, given x minus 2 is a factor of is a factor of 2x to the power 5 minus 6x to the power 4 minus 2ax cube plus 6ax square plus 4ax plus 8. So here x minus 2 is factor of this polynomial. So to find the value of a. So put here, let polynomial fx is 2x to the power 5 minus 6x to the power 4 minus 2ax cube plus 6ax square plus 4ax plus 8. So put x minus 2 equal to 0. So here x is equal to 2. And it is given that x minus 2 is a factor. Since x minus 2 is a factor, therefore value of polynomial at 2 must be 0. This is the condition for factor. Remainder must be 0. So put here 2 into 2 to the power 5 minus 6 into 2 to the power 4 minus 2a into 2 to the power 3 plus 6a into 2 to the power 2 plus 4a into 2 plus 8 must be 0. Now from here you can find the value of a. So it will be 32 into 64 minus 2 to the power 4 is 16. 16 into 4. 16 into 4 it will be 64. Now plus it is not 64. It is 96. Now 8 into 2 minus 16a. Now 4 into this is 24a and plus 8a plus 8 equal to 0. So this will be 8a and plus 24. So that is 8a and 16a and this is 64 plus 8 it will be 72. So it will be 96 minus 72. So 16a is equal to 4 and 2. So value of a will be 24 by 16. That is 3 by 2. So 1.5. This is the value of a. Answer. This is question number 7. Now question number 8. Question number 8. Let me see the time. Question number 8. Question number 8. Find the value of a when n. So given what informations are given in the question? X minus 1 and x plus 2 both are factor of x cube plus 3m plus 1 into x square plus nx minus 18. So what we have to find? To find m and n. We have to find the value of m and n. So here it is given that x minus 1 and x minus 2 are factor of this polynomial. So let polynomial fx is equal to x cube plus 3m plus 1 into x square plus nx minus 18. Now putting since x minus 1 is a factor of fx, therefore value of fx at x is equal to 1 must be 0. Put x minus 1 equal to 0. So you will get x equal to 1. So for the factor of the condition, the remainder must be 0. That means value of function at this point must be 0. Now what is f1? So from here you can find f1. 1 whole cube plus 3m plus 1 into 1 square plus n into 1 minus 18 equal to 0. So or 1 plus 3m plus 1 square into 1 into this will be same, plus n minus 18 equal to 0. So 3m plus n, 1 plus 1 2, 2 minus 18 16, 6 that is 16. So this is our first equation. Now since x plus 2 is also a factor, it means f of minus 2 must be equal to 0. Why minus 2? So put here x plus 2 equal to 0. You will get x equal to minus 2. So for the factor, this is the condition. The remainder must be 0. That is value of function at minus 2 must be 0. So find this one. Its value will be, in place of x substitute minus 2. So minus 2 whole cube plus 3m plus 1 minus 2 whole square plus n into minus 2 and minus 18 equal to 0. So it will be minus 8 and minus 2 equal to 4 into this. So it will be 12m plus 4 minus 2m minus 18 equal to 0. Now so 12m minus 2m and minus 8 and plus 4 will be minus 4 into minus 18 minus 22, that is 22. Now take 2 common. So 6m minus 8 is equal to 22. So 6m minus 8 is equal to 11. Now this is equation number 2. Now equation 1 and equation 2 are linear. Equation 1 and equation 2 are linear equations. So you can solve these two equations to get the value of m and n. So after solving, let us solve. Now let us solve these two equations. So equation 1 is 3m plus n is equal to 16. Equation 2 is 6m minus n is equal to 11. Now add these two and it cancels. So 9m is equal to 27. So m is equal to 3. Now putting m equal to 3 in equation number 1. So 3 into 3 plus n is equal to 16. So n is equal to 3 minus 9, that is 7. So therefore final answer is m is 3 and n is 7. This is the answer. Now question number 9. Question number 9. Now when, so given polynomial equal to x cube plus 2x square minus kx plus 4 divisor x minus 2 and the remainder is equal to k and the remainder k. So it is given that when this polynomial is divided by x minus 2, remainder is k. So what will be the value of k? Clear? So put x minus 2 equal to 0. So from here we get x is equal to 2. Now by remainder theorem, clear? The remainder is equal to value of function at this point. Clear? Remainder is given the question k. The value of function at 2 is put here 2 cube plus 2 into 2 square minus k into 2 plus 4. So k is equal to 8 plus 8 minus 2k plus 4. Shift this one aside. So k plus 2k is equal to 8, 16 plus 4. This is 20. So value of 3k will be value of 3k is equal to 20. So k is equal to 20 by 3. So this is the value of k. You can write it as 6 whole 2 by 3. This is the answer. Now question number 10. Question number 10. Question number 10. Find the value of a. Here given